Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and simple and easy garlic butter shrimp recipe. And the shrimp I'm going to use, these are wild Argentine red shrimp. These are peeled, deveined and tail off. These are frozen. What I have done, I put it in cold water. Once there is no more ice, drain the water. Then with the paper towel, I pat it dry. This is how these shrimps look. Unsalted butter. If you are health conscious, please skip it. But if you add butter, that will bring the taste. 1 tablespoon garlic, raw cashews, and please try these cashews. They taste really well with the shrimp. Half teaspoon salt to taste, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon red chili flake, and 1 teaspoon parsley flake, vegetable oil, and lemon juice. As for the lemon juice, I'm going to use 1 cube. This is the lemon juice. I preserve it. I have a posted video on my channel how to preserve fresh lemon juice. These lemons are from my garden. Whenever I need to use it, I have it ready. You can let it melt or you can use it as is. So let's start making our delicious wild Argentine red shrimp. Start burner, and we're going to keep gas on medium. Get a fry pan, add vegetable oil. Add butter. As the butter started to melt, add garlic. Mix it. Cook garlic for 30 seconds. Cooking garlic for half minute. Add cashews. Mix it well. Cook cashews along with garlic for half minute. Another half minute of cooking altogether. Cooking garlic and cashews for 1 minute. Add shrimp. Mix it well. And spread it evenly. Cook for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes. Now we're going to turn these over. Look at this nice white color. So we have to make sure that you flip it over, each one of them. After washing it, even though we pat it dry, they still retain water. So after turning them over, I'm going to add, this is the lemon juice. We're going to leave it as is. Add all spices, salt, black pepper, red chili flake, parsley flake. Mix it well. All together cooking for 3 minutes. Once all the shrimps are nicely combined with the spices, we're going to cook additional 2 minutes. So within 5 minutes our shrimp will be ready. Another 2 minutes of cooking. Within 5 minutes the shrimps are all ready, and I'm going to turn off the gas. And I'm going to dish out. I have my serving plate ready. And this is delicious red shrimp. Let me share with you. Prior to serving, add some parsley flake, Our tasty and delicious, quick and easy garlic bread shrimp is all ready. Please try it, and this is the best appetizer you can have. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.